It is given in this question. A solid substance is converting into vapor state by heating without passing through the liquid form. And we have to find out the technique that can be used to purify such a solid substance. Let's come to the options given here. The first one is distillation. Distillation separates the components based on the boiling points. And the second one is chromatography. Chromatography separates the substances based on their interactions with the stationary and mobile phases. Third one is crystallization. In crystallization, it is purifying the compounds by forming solid crystals from a solution. And the last one is sublimation. Sublimation is the process by which a solid is directly converting into gaseous phase without passing through the liquid state. All these methods are chosen based on the physical and chemical properties of the substances. So here it is given a solid is directly converting from solid state to vapor state. So here the best method for the separation of these kind of solid substances is sublimation. So option D is the correct answer.